Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about makeup panning, nail polish, and things happening in my real life. Today I have my finale for This Is Pantasy, so stay tuned. This Is Pantasy is a Pantastic Ladies collab group project that was created by Allie from Wonder and Allieland here on YouTube. It started on October 11th of 2022 for round 2 and ends today on October 11th. It is all about fantasy and mythological creatures, and there were 21 prompts in the first round. The second round has 21 more prompts, bringing a total prompts to 42 prompts. I did not work on that many, but that's how many there were. And this is a rolling style, or, do it any way you like. So I am working on a few things, and I can say I met most of my goals. So let's talk a little bit more about that. The first item I brought in at the beginning, and that was for the prompt Pegasus, and that is a white item. I brought in my NYX High Definition Finishing Powder because the powder is white. My goal was to finish this, and I have made significant progress since bringing it in. This is what it looks like now, and I will insert a picture of what it looked like when I brought it in. It just had that little pan in the middle, but yeah, I'm going to be repressing this soon and then working on finishing it up before the end of the year or early next year. In total, I used this 89 times in this project that I recorded, and yeah, did not meet my goal on finishing it, but I did make significant progress, and that's all that matters really in the end. So that, yeah, that did not complete the goal. The next prompt I was working on, it was for Hydra, and that is something you keep panning and panning but never finish. So I brought in the highlighter. The first highlighter I had in my collection, this is from Real Her. It is a deluxe sample I got from Ipsy, and it is the Confidence in My Glow highlighter. And that is all that's left. If I can find a picture, I will insert a picture of what it looked like when I brought it in. Again, this is one I did make significant progress in. My goal was to use it 30 times, and I only was able to get up to 28. I ended up bringing highlighters into other projects, which took away from this one, but I did pretty close. I only had 2 more uses left to go, and yeah, it is a lovely highlighter. I am wearing it today, but I did not meet my goal, and that's okay. I'm going to be repressing this soon too. All right, the next. Okay, if my lips look different, it's because I recorded and paused and went to edit, and the second half of the video is corrupted. So I'm re-recording this. Anyway, so I was saying the next prompt was for Manticore, something you considered a work of art. I brought in my Lipstick Queen lipstick. I am wearing it right now by itself, so that is why it looks different. It is called Crazed Grey. My goal was to use it 10 times, and I used it 12 now. So that is a goal met. The next prompt was for Werewolf, a celestial themed item, and for that I brought in my celestial palette of the Galaxy Chic, and specifically I was working on the shade Meteor, which is this one here. My goal was to use it 5 times, and I used it 5 times. So goal met on that one as well. The next prompt is for Leprechaun, something you would have good luck with, or think you'll have good luck with, and I brought in a nail polish from Sinful Colors, matches my shirt actually. This is a light shimmery gray in the shade Tantalize. My goal was to use it twice, and over the last month I have used it twice. Goal met. Next product is for Unicorn. That is something that is a new product, unused product. I brought in the Revolution Chilled palette, which was new to me. And my goal was to use it 5 times, and I have done that. I've done a lot of blue, well, a lot of green and brown, blue and brown, blue and green. I'm wearing it right now. I'm wearing these shades right over here, the neutrals. So I have worn this 5 out of 5 times, and that is another goal met. The next prompt is for Yeti, a winter or snow themed item. For that, I brought in my Esprit and Aspen palette by BH Cosmetics. It is a 6-shade highlighter palette, and those are the shades there. I am wearing a little bit of this peachy color on the inner corner and in the center of my lids, and it is lovely. They look a little bit intense, but they are workable and wearable. And my goal was to use it 3 times, and I did use it 3 times. And then finally, my last prompt is for Sphinx, and that is something that is a royal themed item. I brought in Medusa's Makeup's Disco Queen lip gloss in the shade Bad Girls. And my goal was to wear it 10 times or use it 10 times, and I met my goal on that as well. So that is everything for this project. It is coming back again this year. I am not participating, but if you head over to Pantastic Ladies Facebook group, you will find out more about the project there, and there's signups and prompt lists. But if you enjoyed today's video and the retake, then give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button while you're here, and that little bell icon to be notified when I upload my next video. Until then, take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and I'll see you in my next video. And hopefully it won't be another retake. Bye!